Welcome to Top 6 Zone. So, you are planning to get the best car wash kit, but you may see there are many options available in the market. Today's video I am here to give you an intensive idea about car wash kit. After a huge research, I found these products are really useful to people like you. If you want to know the price and other description about the products, please be sure to check the description box. So without any further delays, let's start the video. Cars are an integral part of the American way of life. Driving kids to school, picking up groceries, shopping, weekend family trips, going to work, and so on. Americans sure spend a lot of time behind the wheel. As a result, cars often have to brave harsh weather elements like dirt, dust, and road salt, not to mention a cocktail of air pollutants. This makes it necessary to keep your vehicle squeaky clean, both inside and out. A clean car not only looks stunning, but also lasts longer. Buying individual car cleaning supplies can be time-consuming and expensive for most car owners. That's where a car cleaning kit comes in. These cleaning kits have everything you need to clean your car. Number 1. Meguiar's Complete Car Care Kit. It includes 12 premium quality products. This car cleaning kit allows you to keep everything spotless, from the interior to the wheels. But most importantly, it comes with clay bars and a quick detailer that helps remove swirls from the paint. Number 2. Chemical Guys HOL 126. This car cleaning kit includes up to 14 products. It comes with a foam gun that works with any standard garden hose. In short, you don't need any other tools to make your car spotless. Number 3. Meguiar's G55012. Meguiar's is one of the leading car care brands in the world. This 8-piece car cleaning kit from Meguiar's comes with high-quality products. It will help you keep everything interior, exterior, rims, and wheels spotless. Number 4. Car Wipes by Armor All. This car cleaning kit is suited for cleaning the interior and exterior of your vehicle. From a car wash pad and Armor All Ultra Shine Wash and Wax to a multi-purpose car interior cleaner and car air freshener spray, it comes with all the baseline car wash and care products. Number 5. Chemical Guys HOL 303. This car cleaning kit is perfect for keeping the paintwork intact, especially black and dark colored paintwork. It will protect and enhance the appearance of your car. It comes with premium soap, glaze, and wax. Number 6. Titany Car Cleaning Tools Kit. This is one of the most comprehensive car cleaning kits. It includes a car detailing brush set, drill brush set, wire brush set, and wash brush set for cleaning wheels, interior, exterior, leather, air vents, emblems, and more. So now you are here, and I wish you have made your final decision to select the best car wash kit that is suitable for you. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel to get more product updates that I make on daily basis, as it will make your life much more easier. Goodbye!